Control number 1616-8, please tell us something about yourself.
Madam Sir, I'm Lian F. Sampaga. I'm 30 years old. I'm married. I have one son and he's 11 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm eldest in the family. We are 6 siblings, 2 boys and 3 girls.
Okay, tell me something about your working experience.
During my working experience in Kuwait, I've been taking care of 5 years old of child. I did feeding, tutoring, teaching in the school.
Other duties in the house?
I do also cleaning, washing, vacuum, car washing.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family and my son.
So do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
No, madam, but I'll try my best to do or to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Okay, tell me, what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Obedience, patience, honestly,
And?
understanding.
Lastly, what are your message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.
For more.